Hi, I'm Rinmay, a self-taught artist and surface designer from India. Having a strong inclination towards art since childhood and being surrounded by patterns everywhere, it was natural for me to get pulled into the surface pattern design industry. And now I sell my art on various products like fabrics, wallpapers, home decor, accessories, and other lifestyle products. When I started my surface pattern design journey, I really wished that I had all the resources at one place, especially the workflows. Because when you are in the beginning phase, everything already seems very overwhelming and you are learning so many things from so many different sources. There are many ways to make a repeat pattern, and it depends on what you like, how you like to draw your motifs, what medium do you like to use to draw your motifs, how fast you like to work, and many other factors to decide on a particular pattern making process or workflow. And if there is a place where you can learn all these workflows, or at least majority of them, then you don't have to piecemeal everything from different sources, and this in return will make your creative journey a little bit better and quicker. Therefore, I decided to make a series of workflows where I will try to show you all the workflows that I have tried and implemented in my own pattern making process, so that it will be easy for you to develop your own workflow. This is the second class in the series, and if you have not watched the first one, then go ahead and take that class, which is all about taking your Procreate elements and making a pattern in Illustrator. And in this class, you will learn how to take your hand-drawn textured motifs from Procreate and then make a pattern in Photoshop using the pattern preview option. This is a beginner-friendly class, but anyone can take this class if you want to learn or try a new workflow. In this class, you will learn how to prepare your files in Procreate and export it to Photoshop, how to open your Procreate files in Photoshop, how to convert the motifs to smart objects, how to make the pattern using the pattern preview option, how to save your pattern in Photoshop, and also a bonus lesson showing you how to draw your elements in Procreate if you are new to it. So if you are ready, then let's dive straight into it.